I got my kit. I'm gonna open this. I've been waiting for so long. Oh. Ooh. Look at this paper though. Look at that. Look how cute that is. Instructions. I'll probably read some of them. That's cool. Bolting for the plaster. Oh, that's the little resin thingies. Ooh. Sculpting tools. Those look like really nice brushes. Grip on knife. Sanding stick. Oh, for the paint. Epoxy sculpt. Ooh. The mold. This is the plaster stuff. Cast permastone. It's like plaster, right? Oh, sculpt. Oh, here's the little measuring cup. Resin. UV alcohol ink. A little spatula. Oh. Yes. Liquid oven. Oh, adhesive. Now I know this is a UV flashlight and I know it doesn't come with batteries. That's like the only thing that's not included is the batteries for the UV. And then the cutting mat. Which, oh my god, so cute. It's so cute. And that's it. I'm saying it like, oh, that's it. Like it didn't come with a stupid amount of just crafts. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I am so excited. Oh. Focus, Janet, folks. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. No, it's here. Never mind. Gonna put my little person together. Cause that's what you do. Alright. So, put one here. I think it's closed properly. Dude or duda. Okay. Right. Okay. I think it's good. And then I have this, but you don't want to stick the thingy all the way. I think I got it. There's no leakage. I don't see any leakage. Shake, 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 shake. Oh no! Okay. Get back in. We wait 35 to 45 minutes. Intermission. I think it's ready. I think. So let's see here. Band there. There. As I wiggle. Okay. Right. So far, so good.
Oh no.
So far, not good. Holes are supposed to be there. However, the head. Whoops. I decided to make another plaster figure, this time with a complete head. But while that was drying, I worked on the resin eyes. So what I decided to do with the eyes, I would fill the biggest mold up with resin halfway, paint it on that part, and then I filled it up the rest of the way with resin. So it gave this kind of neat effect, like almost like a real eye, but yeah, look at that. I thought it looked cool. So my second plaster person came out with a complete head. So after sanding, I began to mold.
soon discovered that I would need a base for my character. So I decided to make one out of just using a lid, foil on top of that, and just pouring the plaster in and then sticking the character in that. It seemed to work really well. The last thing I needed to do before I baked the cosplay was to make the braids. So I used the wires that I got in the kit, just kind of stuck them in her head, and then put clay over them and textured them. And after that was all done, I baked it, and it was time to paint. So one of the last few things I needed to do was paint the base. So I just decided to go with black. I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do. I wanted to make water or rock, but I realized I wasn't sure how to do that. So I just made it black. And then I added this pretty metallic green paint that came with the kit over it. And I think it looks pretty neat. I also realized that I wanted to have her hold something in the other hand, so I decided to make a little fishy for her. One of the eyes was blue, the other was a crisscross of yellow and orange because I thought that was the most fitting.
And this is the monster I made. It's not really a monster, but it's her little fishy, her little lovey. Her braids. She's holding one in her hand. her eyes, although they're a little smudgy. Yeah. That's my little chibi. Final thoughts about this craft kit. I know NerdECrafter is inside. I don't think she's selling these anymore. I could be wrong, but I don't think she is. If she comes out with another kit, you need to get it, okay?
Do you understand?
You need to get it. This kit really came with almost everything you needed, and it was so much fun. I don't know if you noticed, but probably did. There was a lot of voiceovers, a lot of music, because I couldn't talk because I was so into doing my little monsters, my creation. I was just so into it, and I couldn't, and I forgot to talk. It's like, oh yeah, that's right, the camera is on me, I should be talking. I would just forget to do that. I got really into it. I have plans to make more of these little chibi types of people, characters. My final thoughts are this was great. This was worth all the money. It was more than worth it because you got so much. This is how I did my little thing. Bonus points if you have an idea on who this is. I don't want to give it away. I might give it away in the title though. But I won't say her name, just in case. Thank you for watching. Thank you if you made it this far. I'm done now. I hate these closings. Okay, bye.